My name is Fugate. I'm the International and Midwest Sales Manager for Kness. The past couple years we've actually been working towards a product that we believe is going to revolutionize the way we do pest control, especially in the rodent sector. What we've been working on is Krittersense, which is our electronic monitoring devices that spans across many different devices. And that's what we were actually working towards, was creating a sensor or a device that's not going to be trap specific, but trap diverse. So with that being said, the sensor itself actually has two different types of sensors on it. The first sensor would be this little white globe that we see here, and it's actually a passive infrared sensor. So what that means is kind of like the way your garage door works. When you walk by, light kicks on. Except instead of the light kicking on here, it actually reports back to our gateway hub that will then send you a notification via email, app notification, and let you know that that trap has now been triggered. We also have a magnetic sensor that's going to work with a magnetic piece like this, or something along the lines that attaches to a live animal cage, that will actually create a magnetic bond, and then when broken, triggers the same response to send you the notification that you have now got a rodent in your trap. So with that, it actually allows us to utilize both sensors to connect to different styles of traps, whether it be a rat trap, a mouse trap, snap trap, a multiple catch trap, another style of multiple catch trap, a tunnel style trap, as well as live animal cages, by just the differentiating of a plastic attachment. And from there, the software is where it gets kind of fun and interesting, but the software tells exactly what we're looking for, runs reportings, runs trend analysis for us, and then it allows us to diversify ourselves in our offerings for rodent control. For more information on the technology that we do offering, feel free to visit our website at kness.com/Krittersense, or feel free to email me, nick@kness.com.